If you're a creator or business looking to add better audio to your iPhone video content without breaking the budget, I'm going to show you this great wireless mic from Movo and let you hear what better audio can sound like. This is the Movo Wireless Mini DL Ultra Compact Wireless Lavalier Microphone. Now this mic will let you capture great audio directly to your iPhone with an ultralight wireless mic system that includes a clip-on transmitter with a built-in pro microphone and compact lightning receiver that plugs directly into your iPhone. The all-in-one microphone and transmitter packs a lot of features into a very small and lightweight design, like selectable noise canceling and one-touch muting to ensure you'll have full control of your broadcast-ready audio signal. The easy-to-charge battery has a listed battery life of 10 hours, so you can record all day long without having to stop and constantly recharge the microphone's battery. In the box, you'll receive the wireless transmitter and receiver, USB-C to USB-A cable, carrying pouch, and a windscreen for the transmitter if needed. Okay, now that the tech and specs are out of the way, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and hear what this microphone actually sounds like. Okay, now just for comparison's sake, this is the internal mic on my iPhone. Now I'm roughly 3.5, 4 feet away from my phone, so what you're hearing now is the audio directly from the internal mic on my iPhone. Now I'm gonna hook up the Movo wireless lavalier microphone and let's see if we can hear the difference. And now what you're hearing is the audio coming from the Movo wireless lavalier microphone. Obviously, it is a lot crisper and it is a lot clearer with the audio, especially compared to what we just heard, which was the internal mic of my iPhone. So one of the great things about this is the mic actually comes pretty well charged, although you will want to make sure that it's fully charged so you can take advantage of that 10-hour battery life. But the great thing about this is you take it out of the box, you plug the receiver into your iPhone, you charge up the transmitter, you clip it on, you are ready to shoot video content as a creator, as a business owner. If you're looking to have better, more clear audio from your iPhone, I highly recommend checking out this microphone today.